Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm going to be showing you guys some really quick, easy features that I found really helpful on Dropbox. So the first one is going to be the Vault feature, and you can access that by going on your name icon here, going down to Settings, scrolling down to Features and Vault, and then going over to the right and pushing Setup. Now this is going to ask you to put in a PIN first, and that's the PIN that's going to protect your files that you choose to put in here. It's like a self-encryption system. And so you secure with a PIN, and then you select files to import, so any sensitive files, confidential information, passwords, etc. You can put in here, and then you can secure it with a PIN, and then you can choose contacts if you want. So in an event of emergency, in case you can't get into it, other people can, and they can have your files. But it was just trusted contacts that you add manually, so no one can really hack into it unless they know your PIN. Another one I wanted to show you guys was the automated folder. So you can choose any of these settings based on category, renamed, saved as PDF, saved as images, videos, or unzipped. For this, we're going to use the PDF feature because I found that one the most helpful. So if you choose files added to folder or saved as PDFs and push next, and it's basically going to take any files you save into this folder and save them as PDFs. And so I found this works best for Word documents that you want to share but don't want them to be editable. Yes, you can do that with just Word documents, but PDFs are a lot easier to download and things like that. So I'll do activity UDL and submit that here. And then you're going to notice it's going to save a docs version, and it's also going to save a PDF version right here. And you can open that, save that, share that, anything you want, copy the link to it, send it to people, anything you want. And the last feature I wanted to show you guys was file requests. The file request is basically an email that you send out to someone if you want to share, if you want them to share files with you. And so this can be really useful for projects, things like that. And we're just going to do a marketing project here. If I can type, wow, okay. marketing. Okay, that's not right. Project. Then just fix that. Marketing. Alright. I need the files for the project. And you can send this, you can create this, and then you're going to send it to someone's email. So I'm going to send it to my own email, because I do not want anybody else's files, really. But if I were working in office space or anything like that, this would be very helpful if I didn't want, it's really easy to share, because you already have set up the way for them to share the files, but you just need to tell them why you're wanting the files from them. So I'm just going to type for the marketing project, and then you're going to push period there, and then you're going to push done, and you have this request, and that is sent to the person's email, and then they can share the files with you easier. And I found that really helpful. And then you can see the files that they share with you in this folder right here. And obviously I haven't shared any files because I haven't sent any files over from the request. That's how you use that. And those are the three most kind of useful features I found.